Okay, go now. Okay, Eli.
Coming through. Real man coming through. Man and his dog coming through.
All the shit talking's pointed at me.
See a wrestler?
Huh?
See a wrestler?
No, it's
No, it's good.
this kid. No, man. And the thing about Levi is he's built like a. He's an awesome athlete. He doesn't seem to like to compete. What? I mean, he's an animal at everything he does. He's coordinated. And he lives down in McMinnville, and he's like, he didn't want to go out for football this year, but he's so stinking strong. Go, Eli! So stinking. Yeah. He's so strong. His mom does a lot of